The decisions in both cases, even though Trump lost the case involving the district attorney, probably means that none of the records that are being sought would become public before the election at the very earliest. And because the tax returns are being sought as part of a criminal grand jury investigation, which is normally confidential, it's not clear that those would ever become public. So, in that sense, the outcome today is a short-term victory for Trump.
I don't want to say, though, that the president hasn't suffered a defeat here, because on a personal level, if he's sitting there today saying, wow, if I do lose in November, could I someday be charged criminally? And my argument that I could shoot somebody on Fifth Avenue and not face any charges, all that has gone out the window today, because the Supreme Court is saying, no, you're not above the law. You can't make those arguments. You can face prosecution.
And even in the congressional case, although the court did rule essentially for Trump in that it didn't allow the subpoenas to be enforced right now, the court did not in any way say Congress can't seek this kind of material, just that courts and Congress have to do a better job of saying why they want it. These decisions really crossed any kind of ideological boundary. There were both conservatives and liberals in the majority in both cases.
In the end, Supreme Court justices, like most judges, are interested in fairness, in making sure that the rulings hold up the precedents of the past, and that the courts don't play too big a role in what happens to the country. The Supreme Court doesn't want to decide whether President Trump gets a second term.